Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. You know me for a lot of automation on UiPath, a lot of videos. The last video that I made, it was the one with more than 800 YouTube answers to your questions. So basically, in that video, I showed you how you have here a workflow, and on this workflow, you go to select the category that you want to answer. For example, you want data table, and you want in the data table, you want to talk about join data tables. Okay, so if you want join data tables, the system will go and open a video exactly with join data table. In this case of the video, JP explained how to do the join data table. Good. One of the feedback was to Christian, I want a search instead of selecting this. I'm not. I'm better with this structure. But if the customer prefer also a search, I implement on the same data table. I implement also on a search. So basically, you have this workflow. This workflow will be shared on the GitHub like the other workflows. Yeah, and on this workflow, basically, you will go and say X shall read range. Yeah, for example, and the system will go and open a video with Gabi, and he will explain the Excel read range. But the search will not be perfect. I mean, I prefer the structure to go there exactly on the structure to see exactly what you want on the structure and so on. Yeah, but this is also the version with search. Yeah. Next, on the same topic, I present you here that there is a version of the video also with an Excel. So the idea is that the workflow that is coming with the Excel, it's for companies that they have COEs and they want to modify this data table, and they want to put their preferred movie there for the people to learn from their movies and so on. So you go to open location on the Excel. You'll go on this Excel, and you can add the new category. So you have here, you see the all category that I sort everything, and let's add the new category, and let's see how we'll behave with this new category. So we'll say in here new category, new cat. Okay, let's say start a process. Start process. Okay, let's take the movie. So basically, I will go on this movie of presentation on my movie of presentation. So you will see that I start the process here on 120. I start the process. So if I want to put this movie on the list, I will copy paste the ID of the movie, put it here, and I have to put it. It was 120, so that means 80 seconds. Yeah, and let's say on the same movie where I talk about GitHub. So on the same movie, let's say that I talk about GitHub something here. Yeah, so let's say that it's 245. Yeah, so if it's around 245 where I talk about GitHub, we will put we'll copy this line, Control C, Control V, and we'll say GitHub link, hub link, and on GitHub link it was 245. That means 165. Okay, so I'll hit save. I will close this one, and if I run now the process with the answer, I will so run the file. You will see that I will have a new category, the category created by me, and the system will provide me exactly that answer. Okay, so I have all the categories, and I have the new cat. And on the new category, I have what I want. I want the start process or the GitHub. GitHub, I write it with misspells. Let's say start process, and the system will go and open the video exactly from where I start the process. You with answer questions. Yeah. So in this way, you will create a new category. You will add your own stuff to share your colleagues inside of the automation hub, or where you want to work with this stuff. Yeah. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and give me feedback on what else you want to see inside of my channel. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye. Stay safe.